Okay, we're gonna try to finish this part, this object, by continuing on looking at this object right here. So to figure out the size, we'll do a line. Let's do 1.5 inches again. So choose the right layer. So we're gonna do repeat input. That's right click, repeat line from here to here, 1.5 inches, and then all the way down. So scroll up, and you're gonna find a way to connect. Also, so to go over trim one more time, if you for some reason where click on the wrong side, so it was longer that way you want it, what you need to do is a trim. So the object that you want to keep is this, and the object you want to trim is that. Okay, so that all with left click, with left click, correct. The right hand side is to do repeat input, and the left hand side clicking is to approve the actions. All right, so going back here, how far is this? So with right click, we see repeat input. That was 1.5. We already know that. And how far is this? 1 point. So 5.5. Or if you were to do this, it's going to be 1.5. All right. So let's try and do that. We have several options. Either we do 5.5, or let's try and do an offset. Okay, so an offset is going to be like so. But in that case, we're going to have to trim this as well. So let's do it by parts. Let's go ahead and do type offset and click this. Okay, and then offset inside. What distance? 1.5 inches. Clicking, click, enter. Okay, so obviously the same distance is going to be here, so we can do the same thing. So if you notice, there's still options here for offset to continue offset options if you want to keep doing the same line, etc. So if you do right click, you say enter, then you're done with offset. Okay, next thing, we're gonna do repeat offset, and we're gonna do this line now. So this line, 1.5 inches, enter. From here to here, enter, enter. There's still here some questions about offset, so just type escape and to make sure that you go out of the option and you don't do anything else. Let's do offset one more time. So type offset or right click, input offset. So it's gonna be this line, 1.5 inches, enter. This line over here, enter, enter, and we're good. And escape. Okay, so if you notice, we don't need this part and we don't need that part. So we already know how to fix that. We simply do a trim, and it's going to be this line and this line, trimming that part and that part. Enter. And also we're going to do a trim of this line, enter. So enter is right click and get rid of that part. And the same line is crossing this part, so we can just select this part and enter. Let's see where else we need to fix our stuff. Okay. Seems like we didn't do this part, so let's do it again. So repeat, trim. I'm going to do this line and this line. Enter. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. So we are done. So let's go ahead and join everything. Selecting everything like so and type join. Okay, now everything is a single object. For some reason this one did not get selected, so we can type join again. And that should be able to do it. This one is not going to be selected because it's not sharing an edge. Okay, so that's how you draw on AutoCAD.